Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon. Good afternoon. So the previous question, I'll give you now. Okay, it is CSA is given as 308, right? So 22 by 7 into
Yes, ma'am.
by 7 into and radius we don't know into 14 equal to 200 and 308. Then 2 we cancelled. So 22 into R equal to 308. 2 into 22 into R. So R equal to 308 by 2 into 22. And you got the answer as 7 centimeter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have to find the total surface area. TSA is pi R into R plus L. Okay. So I think it is 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 into 7 plus 14, right? 7 plus 14. So 7 got cancelled. 22 into 21. Clear? 22 into 21. And what is the answer? 462. Okay. 462 centimeter square. So this was the question that we did not finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. And I'll give the next question. Okay, then. Question number, I don't know how much. Question number 7.
5.
5. A conical tent. A conical tent. What do you mean by conical tent?
Cone-shaped tent.
Cone-shaped tent. Conical tent is 10 meter high. A conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Find first one, the slant height of the tent, and second question, cost of canvas required to make the tent. If the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes. Children, here you have to find the slant height of the tent. Okay, slant height. Radius is given and radius of the base is given and height is given. You have to find the slant height. That is one question. And next one, cost of canvas required to make the tent. What do you mean by the cost of canvas? Means which area will you find? Is it TSA or CSA? Which one?
TSA.
TSA or CSA?
TSA, ma'am.
Sorry,
TSA only.
TSA or CSA? What do you think? Others?
First, we will find CSA, then only we can find the TSA, right?
What is the use of finding TSA?
For canvassing.
Canvas, for canvas.
Yes, ma'am.
Tarpaulin. Have you seen any tent, cone-shaped tent?
Yes, ma'am.
Anywhere?
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
circus tent?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Where
ma'am.
will be the tarpaulin? Where will be the canvas? Is it around or it includes base also?
Around. Around, ma'am.
Around. It is only around. Canvas will be only around of it. So the place where the people are sitting, do we need canvas there?
No, ma'am.
Then what is the use of finding TSA? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Think about a tent which is we used to see it in some program or something. In forest area, some persons or trucking persons will make a tent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Make a tent. And there we are not using the canvas down,
Ma'am,
only
fee
the
owner.
tent. So CSA or TSA?
CSA.
CSA. Okay. So CSA you have to find. First of all, you should find the slant height. Afterwards, you have to find the CSA. Will you do it?
Yes,
Will you
ma'am.
do? Okay. Then do it fast.
Ma'am, can you show the question once more?
Yes. If you finish, you tell me. Yes, children.
Ma'am, can you show the screen?
Fia Harris is present today. Yes. Fia? Fia is present. Haya?
Grace present.
Yes. Haya? Lolita? Nisia? Surya? Pratyush?
Ma'am, Mohammed Aman is present.
Mm. Okay, children, you got the answer. Anyway, did you get the slant height?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, slant height. Shall we do it? So here slant height is not given, but height is given as 10 meter and radius is given as 24 meter. Okay, children, how did you find slant height? L equal to root of r square plus h square. Yes, root of 10 square plus 24 square. What is the answer, children? Root of 100 plus 576. Isn't it? So root of 676. What is the answer?
26 centimeters.
26 meter. 26
26.
meter. Okay, this was the first question. And second question is the cost of the canvas required. Right. So we have to find the CSA. CSA is pi RL. Okay. Pi RL is 22 by 7 into radius is 24 and slant height is 26. Look at here, children. Hello. Look at here. Anything is there to cancel? Any
No,
number
ma'am.
is there to cancel?
No, ma'am.
No,
No.
ma'am.
So what we'll do is, I will show an easy method. Let us find the cost also. Without multiplying, without simplifying it, let us find the cost. So this much meter square is there. This much meter square is there. We are not simplifying it now. We are not cancelling. What is the cost? How much rupees per meter square, children?
70.
70. So this area into 70, right? This much rupees. Now let us, will you see how any number you can cancel now? Now any number
7
is there
and
to cancel?
70.
7 and 70. And now it will be very easy to find the answer. Clear, children? So some days, some problems you can do like this also. At last you do the multiplication. Sometimes there will be some numbers to cancel. Okay. And find the answer fast. It's a long number. I'll write the answer, check whether you got the same one. Rupees. Sorry. 137280. One lakh 37,280. 1,37,280. Check whether you got the same.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Aditya Krishna, did you get the answer? Aditya Krishna. Okay. So now let us find one very important question. Adidev, are you listening? Okay, children, I'll give one very important question. Okay. See, children, have you seen corn cob? Have you seen corn cobs? Corn cobs. What do you mean by corn cobs? Corn cobs. Have you ever seen corn cobs?
No, ma'am.
No.
Yes, ma'am.
What is corn? Cornflakes. Do you know cornflakes?
Ma'am, ice creams that you want only?
Cornflakes. Kellogg's cornflakes.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that? Cornflakes?
Cereal. Yes, ma'am. Cornflakes eating cereal, ma'am.
Note that. Cornflakes. See, children, that some millets. Have you seen that? Pulses.
Yes, ma'am.
Corns.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Corns have you seen? I'll show you. See, children. Okay, this is corn. This corn have you seen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So this is corn cob. Okay. What is the shape of it? Is somewhat similar like a corn, right?
Yes.
It is somewhat like a corn.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? Our corn, our mass solid corn. Okay, corn's area. And see the grains. Can you see the grains there? Grains.
Yes, ma'am.
Grains are, is it in the down? See, have you seen that down part of the corn? Down
Yes,
part of the
ma'am.
corn, it will come from the the things which covering, no, that covering, can you see covering?
Yes, ma'am.
So down part, no corns will be there, down part. It is like a curved surface. All grains are arranged the curved surface in the corn, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so it is like next our question is a corn cob's question. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
children, look at this image. Look at this image.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this corn cob, here down part, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
It's part of the stem. Their corns will not be there. Clear? And
Yes, ma'am.
it is arranged like a curved surface. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Curved surface. Then now we have to find the number of grains in the next question. Clear,
Yes, ma'am.
children? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So our question, next question is belongs to one corn cob, and we have to find the number of grains. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And write the question. Write the question, children. It's a very important question. A corn cob. It is a figure given in the textbook, and it is 7th question, I think. A corn cob. A corn cob. A corn cob shaped somewhat concave shaped, somewhat like a cone. Somewhat like a cone. This cone and this cone is different. Check the spelling. Concave, that C-O-R-N, and our cone is C-O-N-E. Okay. Like a cone, has the radius of its broadest end as 2.1 centimeter and length in brackets height as 20 centimeter. If each 1 centimeter square, if each 1 centimeter square of the surface of the cope, cope carries an average of 4 grains. An average of 4 grains. 4 grains. Find how many grains you would find on the entire cope. Okay, this is our question. Okay, children, actually the height of the cone and radius of the broadest end. Radius of the broadest end. Radius base. Radius of the broadest end means which has the maximum width. So that is the down part. That is the radius. Radius of the base. Radius of the base is also given. You have to find the CSA, but slant height is not there. Clear, children? CSA you have to find, and
Yes, ma'am.
1 meter square and 1 centimeter square of the surface of the cob contains 4 grains. So like a cost, 1 centimeter square
Yes, ma'am.
is 4 grains. 4 grains. 1 centimeter square area. Suppose this is 1 centimeter square area. It contains 4 grains like this. Okay, so a total centimeter square into 4 you have to find. So before that, you should find the L, slant height. So L, for L you don't know, but you know R, radius. Radius is 2.1 centimeter. And H you know it is 20 centimeter. And L equal to root of R square plus H square. So root of 2.1 square plus 20 square. 2.1 square is 21 square. 21 square and decimal point. Do you know how much it is? How much, children? What is 21 square?
4.2.
21 square. 21 into 21. Shame.
It is 2.1.
2.1. 21 into 21 you find out.
441. 441.
441. So 4.41. Okay. 20 square is 400. Clear, children? So our inside the root you will get like this 404.41. How will you find the square root of it? You should use our square root method. Okay, split. Find the square root first. I don't know whether you remember this. Do you remember?
Long division method.
1764.
Then? Find out.
Ma'am, 1.1025 only.
Wrong. What? Slant height? Slant height you are telling?
Yes, ma'am.
How much?
I got 20.1.
20.1. That I also got. How much, children? Find. Okay. Anybody got the answer? Find the answer. Okay, children, find the answer and come tomorrow. I will ask tomorrow. Okay. Concob,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have to find slant height and find curved surface area, and into 4 you will get. Okay. Curved surface area. After finding L, you should find CSA. And when you get the answer of CSA, you multiply with 4. Clear, children? Clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And find
Yes,
the answer
ma'am.
and come. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.